Alright. Better late than never. Yeah, whatever. I got my stream light on because it's dark, but might as well make this video right now. Because if you don't know, or haven't watched, or are new, I did replace the 4L60E in my two-door Tahoe. And I've come to learn that my life is a meme. Everything in my life is a meme. I bought a Mustang, you're a meme. And ever since I put it in, I had a leak. I found out it was cracked. And now the meme world is attacking my soul like no other. I'll put a few screenshots of some of the memes of the 4L60E that you'll find on Instagram or whatever. And yes, the one I put in is cracked. If you haven't found out, go look at it. Apparently in 96, the cases are prone to cracking, and my new replacement is cracked. Still waiting on it. It's on the way. But yeah, I'm gonna fight through this as best as I can. Apparently every car in my life right now just has transmission memes and issues. You know, MT82. Granted, nothing's wrong with my MT82 right now in my Mustang. And yeah, team transmission meme, broken transmission memes. So yeah, if you don't know, 4L60 has issues. That's why I bought the trans that I wanted. And yeah, we'll wait for that to come by. And if you have 4L60 issues, keep your head up, dude. I don't know what to do at this point. I'm still waiting on it. It should be here tomorrow or end of the week, but kind of sucks because it's around Christmas time. But yeah, story of my life right now. 4L60E problems. Mine's cracked. So if yours is, cool. And if you know or have any other 4L60E memes, send them my way. Send them on Instagram. You could look at my description and find out where I'm at on Instagram. You know, illegal50. And yeah, I would like to see all the 4L60E memes that are out there. Have a good day.